To monetize your TikTok account, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner of your profile. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap Account. If you are not already using a business account, select Switch to Business Account. This will provide you with more monetization tools and insights. Once switched to a business account, go back to the menu and select TikTok Studio. Under Monetization, tap View All to see all available monetization options. TikTok has different monetization programs such as Creator Fund, Live Gifts, Video Gifts, and Creator Marketplace. To qualify for most programs, you'll need a certain number of followers and views. The Creator Fund requires at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. If you're not eligible, you can tap Notify Me when I'm eligible to receive updates. For eligible programs, you can turn them on directly. TikTok will notify you when you meet the requirements. Once you have monetization active, you can track your earnings in the monetization section of TikTok Studio. You'll be able to view your rewards and balance, and transfer the earnings to your bank account once a threshold is reached.